If you ever use a circular saw, either because you own one or you borrow one, chances are you're going to have to change the blade at some point, either because of the blade wear or the change in material that you're cutting. Here's how to change the blade on a circular saw. Let's dive in. First thing you're going to notice is that the power source is disconnected on all these. That's for safety. Next thing you're going to need to do, you're going to have to stop the blade from spinning. Now this newer model, this Ryobi, has a blade stop right here. Now this Ryobi also has the tool included. I remove the Allen wrench, press the blade stop, and rotate it clockwise. That removes the bolt and the washer. Lift the blade off the axle and slide it down below. And replacing it is just the opposite. Slide it up from the bottom. The shaft is keyed, so this washer goes on only one way. Place it back on the shaft, tighten it down. Depress the button, stopping the blade from spinning, and turn it counterclockwise. Tighten it. Always, always, always return the tool. That's newer models. Some of these older models, some blades have a hole as a stop. Other blades, you'll have to put some sort of awl or screwdriver to stop the blade from spinning. Break it free. Remove the bolt, remove the washer, pull your blade guard out of the way, and drop the blade down the bottom. And to return the blade, slide it up from the bottom. Return the washer. The washer is keyed. Again, holding the blade in place with a awl in between the teeth of the blade. Tighten it up. And this saw is ready for cutting. Here's the creativity I had to use on the Miller's Falls blade to get it unfrozen. Saturated it with WD-40. Let it set. Hammered on it with a block of wood to try and work that penetrating oil in there. Then, that didn't work. Used a regular 9/16 wrench. That didn't work. Tried hammering it. That didn't work. Clamped on vice grips onto the blade to hold it in place. I put it over the edge of the workbench so I could work on it easier. Then I used this 9/16 socket with a breaker bar. And after a while, it loosened up. Before we go any further, release the vice grip, pull the bolt off, slide the guard out of the way, and remove the blade. Replacing the blade. This washer is not keyed, compression only. I'm not sure I'm going to tighten it down just as much as the old man had it. How to unfreeze a frozen saw blade. If this has been helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe. For more helpful videos like this one, click the image on your screen now.